Is my voice audible? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll start the session at 9:05. Okay. Uh, Kindly be prepared with your project. Oh, sorry, not your project, with your task. I have given you the high fidelity wireframing. Today we will do the prototyping of that part. So kindly be prepared. Okay. Then we will start the session at 8:35. So let's start with the session. Uh, Someone has prepared or has done the high fidelity designing of the login part. Here she can just show me first, and if you have any doubt regarding the previous sessions of project related, so you can just ask me first. Then we will move further. Is my voice audible? So have you designed the login one, the login page? Just say yes or no. At least, yeah, Nishi, you can. Hello. 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 Yeah, Nishi, I think your voice is not properly audible. Yeah. Yeah, ma'am. You can just show your design because your voice is very low. Can you just fix your like voice? Part? Hello. Hello. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, you can just go with it. Like, ma'am, I'm audible. Yes, yes. Yeah. And this is a login page of Myntra. I have created, yes, a login page. Okay. One thing, Nishi, that is wrong at this first is this is a midfield type of. It's not a high field because here you have to enter everything. Like here you have to show everything, whatever you have to write. Okay. Second is your. I think I have told you regarding the standard font. It is sans serif or you can use. Okay. So this is not in a proper font. I can say it's not a standard format. Okay. Uh, and also just keep in mind about the alignment. Like I think I have told you regarding it should be the quarter radius. The box. This is not as a perspective, but I just. Okay, okay, then no problem. Right. Yeah, that's good if you have done. Okay. Rest you can do the changes. Okay. Yeah, ma'am. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Anyone else who want to show? Yes, Ravi, you can show if you want to show. Or you want to say something? Hello. Yeah, Ravi. And this is visible? Yes, yes. Perfect. You have done the prototyping? Page? Yeah, yes, ma'am. Okay, okay. Go ahead. This is login page. This is sign up. Okay. This sign up cumulative and after the login page. Its password is incorrect and going to
On email use the password. Forget password. Set new password. After some seconds, you are going to log in. Ma'am, sorry.
All you have created.
Yes, ma'am.
One thing I think you have not included is your successfully one part, the last one. And I guess the verification too.
No, wait. This is visible.
Just a second.
Also.
Okay. Yeah, it's good, Ravi.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it's good, but just do one thing. Try to add the illustrations or images like login illustrations. You can just search it on Google and you can just include those illustrations. Okay.
Okay.
Anyone else? Any doubt regarding your project, like how much you have done in your project? Like, is there any problem with your team members or something? Or if you have not done, like you're facing some issue regarding the project or topics, you can just let me know. Just a second.
Ma'am?
Yeah, someone was saying something.
Ma'am, we are facing one issues in Figma.
What?
Actually, we have started with a team project in a Figma, but it shows notifications that you have to switch to the premium account if you have to use the team project option. How to overcome that? Sorry, ma'am?
Just repeat it. Like you are facing issue in Figma, then?
Yes, ma'am. We have actually created the team project option in a Figma, but it shows the notification that you have to switch to the premium account to use the team project in Figma.
Just a second. Open. Like they should know, like you should not face issue regarding the team project, because even I have used the team project. This is what I am like cross checking whether I have faced the same issue or not. Let me show you. I think my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here you can see I have just clicked on this Figma bar. Okay, this is my team project which I was like to do. Okay, one thing you can do in this, if you are unable to do the team project, just go like simply you are designing. Okay, click on the share. Okay, and you can just invite people. And like if you want, okay, you can just enter the mail ID. Okay, and just change this to edit. Like for example, if I don't have any mail ID for now, like I can't share this, right? Otherwise, you can just share it. Okay. Or one thing they can do, like they will get the link and they can just go on this project. Like here you can see in one project. This is some sort of website. So I guess there were different people too. Like there are 2 or 3 different peoples. Okay. So this is how you can just share your project and you can just edit, like if you are unable to do the team project. But I don't think so. You should, like, I don't know why you are facing issue regarding the team project, because you can just create one team project, okay, or else you can just share with your team member. Someone can share.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Any other doubt? Yes, Shika. Hello.
Hello, hi ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am, actually I wanted to show you my project. We were working on the AR one.
Yeah, sure, you can show. Are you
Yeah,
facing
so
some issue?
one second.
No.
No, ma'am, actually we are just facing two issues that I have discussed with you before, and you said to work if like two of my fellow team members are not working, one is not responding and another one is not interested, so we are going further with two only.
Okay.
And we are working on, like, we are only both of us are working, and like I have not created the screens. My teammate has created, but she's somewhere out, so I'm just sharing you a sec. I'm just sharing you the. Ma'am, is this visible?
Yes, Shika.
Yeah, so ma'am, we have just, like, she have, like we discussed, and she have designed this homepage layout of the website. We have tend to add a feature in the form of bit emojis. Like the emojis will create some bit emojis, and in that bit emojis you can, like, have your dresses, and like you can then see like how it looks like. So it's the thing she have created. And we have also added the virtual one, that in fact you can open your camera, and the dress will just view in your body, and you can check out by that. So that are the features we have added on our homepage. And this is the, like, frame that we have created, and we have created the home screen, the login page.
Sorry, Rishika, can you just please explain it again? Actually, I have some network issue, so I'm unable.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Ma'am, but just did you see the frames, or should I show you again?
Yeah, sure.
So this is the home screen. Basically, we have discussed two features that we are now adding. First is, like, you can select you can just open your camera and you have to launch. So it is the basic, like, explanation how to use. In that, and it is the category options. And the features, two features which I was talking about, is like, one, we have thing to add a bit emoji type of things. Like, you can create your bit emoji or avatar, and then you can just see the uh, your items in that form. And the second one is, like, you can just open your camera, and the pick and like the picture of the cloth or something will just appear in you and you can see if it suits you or not. So these are the two features right now we have discussed, and on that basis we have designed the home page.
Okay.
This is the home page, like med fertility we have designed right now.
Just show me your AR part once more. Like one thing you can do to, like, I think this mobile view is your AR part, I guess.
Yeah.
I think this frame, mobile frame that you have added, where it's written
Yes.
AR demo. So, like
Yes.
you can, for now you are making it for a web. Okay. So
Yes,
just
ma'am.
convert this to the web, like desktop responsive. Because
Okay.
if anyone is using, so you either you have two options, like create, like for now you are creating a desktop one, so create according to the desktop, like wise. Okay, desktop
No,
response.
ma'am, it's like, and that in this we are trying to add both. Like you can just open your phone, and if you want to see in like real, like how it is seen, so we have add that feature. But
Like
the,
I was saying, like
yeah,
you have you are having two options. Either you can create it for the mobile one, or you can create it for the desktop. And the third one is you can create for the both. Like your design should be
yeah,
for the both. So if
yeah,
like now you have created for the desktop one, okay. So for here
yeah.
you have to like add this AR part as a desktop responsive. Here you have like insert the mobile
So
responsive.
ma'am, this is the desktop. This is the desktop version only. It
Like,
is like the screens are made for the desktop version only.
I am talking like your first desktop. Just scroll.
Only this, no? Yeah, okay, got
Yeah,
it.
this
We
mobile
will
one.
improve.
I'm just
Yeah,
talking about this.
we will improve this.
Okay, nothing else. Else it's good. Like, what's your idea is good. Everything is good. I'm just telling about that one. Okay. Let's try.
Yeah, ma'am, this is the login page.
I think like this whole is your login page, the outer one and the inner one.
Sorry, ma'am,
Because
I didn't got you.
I guess your login page, the width of your login page is not equal to the width of the like the other frames you have created. If you see,
I didn't got you. What you
uh,
mean? Like, I didn't
uh,
got the point.
in desktop responsive, let me share some.
Yes.
There are different options like for the frames. Okay, so you have to just let me show. So here, like if you are just clicking on this frame and you are clicking just on the desktop one. For example, you are just clicking this desktop one. Okay, and I think you have taken one more, that is I can say MacBook.
ரைட்ல போய் ஒரு பண்ணு கடை வாங்குவல அங்க போ அங்கதானே வாங்குவ பண்ணு கடை அங்க போ
Just a second. Just keep your mic mute, Sundar Sabapati. Okay, if you're outside. Hey, Mariam, I'm getting what Abdul you are saying, but your if your landing pages, I can say if it's the width of your landing page is more than the width of your desktop, so it will just go outer side, like it will just cut your edges part. Okay, so whenever you are creating any overlay or something, it should be lesser than your frame, or if you want the whole screen, then it can be equal to the frame, but it cannot be like I can say your width cannot be more than the frame. Okay, like this is what I am saying. Did you get my point, or I should show you what I am trying to say?
Ma'am, I actually didn't understand. And actually, this frame is not created by me. It is created by my teammate.
I am not saying like that. I am just saying like if you like you create
No,
the
ma'am, but I didn't got your point. Can you just explain me once what
okay,
you
sure.
yeah.
Just a second. Let me show you an live example. Here I have taken a desktop. I can say responsive. Okay, frame. Just change.
Yeah.
Let me change the color. Okay. For example, one frame I'm also taking that is more than desktop. I can say this make. Okay. Now let me change the color to this. Okay. Now I am doing the prototyping. For example, I am just doing the overlay. Okay, as he's saying, and just change it to. For example, open overlay, and I'm just doing it to center. Okay. Now let's see one thing. I don't know. I think it will be mobile response. I'm not wrong. Yeah, I know.
Ma'am, can you just check your the chats once my teammate is responding on the chat?
What Rishika?
I'm
Yeah, I
saying
think Abdul is just saying something. I know what he is saying. Like you did not get the point. Abdul got my point. What I am trying to say. Okay. He will just adjust it. Okay. I'm just telling you so that you can just change it. I'm not telling a mistake. Like you have done a great job. Okay. But Abdul, I think Rishika did not get my point. That's why I'm showing what I'm trying to say. Okay. Okay. So here you can say if you just click on this. So like for now, it's the whole. If you just change something like can just I can say you can add some text or something. For example, it's yeah, okay. Okay, I understand why it's not like this. Actually, this is MacBook Pro 16. Okay, so I have also chosen this TV. That's why if I choose something else, then it will show what I'm trying to say. Like basically, if I just take an example of a, I can say a TV or a mobile one. Okay, so just check one thing. Here I have created this. Okay, and I have created one more frame like this. Okay, so I have just scroll this to this, navigate, and open. So here you can see, like we have created this greater part. I can say the width is more, but here it just adjusts it according to the screen. Okay, like if you add something here at the corner parts, so it will just
Okay, ma'am, I got you.
okay. So
Yes,
whenever like you are just checking your frame or something, so it should be same
ma'am.
or lesser. I guess now it's okay. Now here you can see the only the adjusting like this frame is adjusting only according to the mobile responsive. Rest is just ignored, or I can say the responsive part has been like I can say the text has been not disclosed.
Yeah, it is not visible and it is not that nice.
Yeah. Okay. This is what I'm trying to say basically.
Okay.
Ma'am, you mean we need to make our screen responsive according to the screens?
Yes, you have to make it's obvious. You have to make your screen responsive.
Ma'am,
If your screen is not responsive and if your frames are different, so when you are going to preview or even for the other part, so there will be a difference or there will be a glitch in your design, I can say.
but ma'am, we are just creating a desktop site, not a mobile site.
No, Vijay, it's not about desktop or mobiles, right? If you are creating a desktop one, there are different options for the frames, like MacBook or I can say desktop wireframe. Like I don't know, like different MacBook options. So Android options. So this is what I'm trying to say.
I understand, ma'am. I just want to ask, ma'am. Means I'm creating that all the for the desktop, but same we if someone use our website in tablet, so we need to make the variant of tablet on and mobile also, or we can go with the one variant
Then
that is
you
there.
just go with the desktop one.
Okay, nice. Thank you.
Ma'am, one more thing. Ma'am,
Yes, Rishika.
ma'am, I was asking that when we will having the meeting for the review of the project.
Your session has been started from I guess 25th, 26th,
25th,
25th.
26th,
So,
20.
like 25 or 26. So your review will be around 20 to 23. Your first review.
And the final review will be after that.
Like it's like your if you are a 2 month intern, okay. So you have to create 2 projects. Okay. So the project PDF that has been given to you, there it's written the task what you have to do regarding your weeks.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for 1 month we have allotted one project. So
Ma'am,
by
actually, in every project we have 2 reviews, one in the mid
mid one
and
and
one
the
in the
final
end.
one.
I was asking for the mid one.
I have not taken the mid one till now. Okay, I don't think so. Like we will take the mid review for now because approx 22 or 23 you will be having your like your first review. So if you want, like I will just ask you what's the matter regarding this because I myself don't know when you will be having your mid review. As much as I know, you will be having your 22, like it's between 22 or 24 your first review. Okay, rest I will let you know.
It will be the final review for the first project.
Yes, it will be a final review. Like from my side, about like when you are going to submit your project, like you will get the link for submitting. That will be like you have to submit at every review. Like you have 3 reviews, so you have to submit at every review.
Okay, ma'am, one more thing. The thing I asked you about the stipend, you were like not sure. Did you know like anything about it?
Like Rishika, I think I have told you regarding this, like just mail the Infotact. I told you like only the top performers will get this stipend. This is what I have told you.
So, ma'am, this was not informed to us before.
Like Rishika, I don't know regarding your stipend process and all. As much as I know is this, like the top performers will get the stipend. Yes, you can just ask once for with the Infodex solution team.
So, how to contact them?
You can just mail on the Infodex support.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. I think you got the mail from the Infodex, so you can just mail them. Okay.
Infotech support, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Or just a second, I will just write it in the chat
Yeah,
box.
if possible, just type in the.
Yeah, sure, sure. Just a second.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rishika.
Ma'am,
Yes, Shivani.
ma'am, previously my teammate Abhinya asked some doubt regarding that we can't work together in a Figma file. You provide a solution to her.
What, Shivani? Actually, your voice is not properly audible.
Okay. Yes, ma'am, it's audible.
Yes, Shivani.
Previously, my teammate Abhinaya asked a doubt regarding we can't work together in Figma file. Am I right, ma'am? You suggest a solution to her.
Yes, I think I have told you regarding this. You can just
Yeah,
go
I tried that way, ma'am. We still can't invite the people.
what's Shivani?
Actually, I tried that way, ma'am. We still invite them. We still I'm not in.
As you can you just drop it in the chat box?
Yeah, okay, fine.
Ma'am, uh, same, we have one problem. Basically, I have a education plan option, and we already created the team and invited to the people also. But when he trying to make the component of particular thing, not able to see that option, or he can't see some options. I'm owner of that file, so I'm only see that file. So what's the issue? Because I already give the editing option to him, but he unable to see. May I know what's the issue?
Like they can do one thing. If they are they able to view that project?
He can view and he can edit.
Okay.
He did the other things, but he can't edit that particular. He can't see that particular, like if he want to make any component, he can't see the component option there.
Have you make the team project? Like what you
Yes.
have? Still you are not getting.
Uh, Yes, actually, I have a educational plan, and we all the teams continue with their educational
Like one
account.
thing, Vijay, if you have an educational account, okay, so there are some limitations in that educational account. Okay, I think you have taken the
Okay.
premium like as an educational one. Okay, I'm not
Okay.
wrong.
Uh,
Like so same in Canva, like if I take an example, same in Canva, there are some options which are not properly, I can say, like everyone can't use that options. Okay, same
okay.
like Figma, same in Figma, like everyone can't use that component part because it's an educational account basically. Okay,
Uh,
so one or two features, they just restrict those part.
okay.
Yeah,
Is there any options, ma'am, for that?
like either you can just take, like you can take it on a personal or I can say the premium account, like on a personal account, premium if you want to take. Like for the
Okay.
educational one, you can't anyone else can't add components and all. They can't view.
Okay. Okay. Understand. Thank you.
Yes, Lokesh, sure. Then we will go on for the prototyping. Okay, today we have just. Okay, no problem. We can just cover it in the next session. Yeah, your screen is visible. Yeah, it's good, Lokesh. It's nice. You have clicked the right one. Yeah, Bilal, just show it a little bit fast. Okay, then we can go for. Okay, this is your login. This is your register. Like the sub pages of this login and your register page. Sh- like Shivani, there is an option of view. Okay, you can just do one thing. You can just invite them through the mail of like you can just ask them for the mail. I don't know why you all are facing this issue because even we have done the projects and we got connected through the mails only, and we can just edit those projects. You can just do either one thing, as you can just invite them for the view. Okay, when they will view a project, there is an option for asking them to the edit. So your team members can just ask you for the edit option, and through mail, like you will get on the mail and the film at both in both through both options, and you can just accept that through your mail. Okay, like these two options, which you can do. Rest, I don't know why you all are facing this issue. Like Lokesh, can we do in the next video because we have just 10 minutes, so I can just show the. Uh, can I go with the prototyping, or if you know about the prototyping? So I don't think so. There is a need. You can just do it on your own. But last time I have showed you the prototyping of the low fidelity, mid fidelity. So this is That's what same you have to do in this. Yes. Like here we have created the screens. Okay. Here we have done the prototyping. Okay. Okay. Same likewise you have to do the prototyping. Here also. Okay, so you just don't need to do anything. You can just simply do it. I don't think so there is any need to explain you regarding this. And if needed, so I can just like smart animation, we will do it later. I have told you. And that is verification will go. Yes. We are on target. So you can just move. Okay. And after just clicking on this logo, you can just go for this. One thing you can add here is for plugins. Just search arrow. Okay. Take this arrow. Okay. Try to make it to both. Then so when you are just clicking on this, it will just move it back to this. Like here you can see, I think we have changed this low one. Switch. No, yeah, now it's improper alignment. Okay. Now as you click on verify, you will just get this. Then you will just click on this. I think I have not read this. Okay. Here it's your login page. This is that. So this is how you can just go with the, I can say, prototyping part. I think this part will be clear until unless you don't like you won't go for this smart animation. You won't know about smart animation. It's easy. You just have to like apply different options, like open overlay, the after delay, ease in, ease out, and this different animations and the trigger options. Yeah, Lokesh, you can show it now. Then we can just end the meeting. Any other doubt? Like, I think there is no doubt in prototyping. Or if you have, you can just ask. Yes, it's visible location. Yeah, yeah, mid part is good. Like there is no issue payment option. Yeah, like Lokesh, there is no issue. I no, no need. Just go on the first screen and the second screen once. Right. Yeah, yeah. No, like there is no need to add anything. Okay, like you have to create this subpart like profile settings and all this you will create on your own or how you will. Okay, that's different, but rest you don't have to add anything. Okay, just create the sub pages of all the options you have added. Accounts, new, woman, man. Okay, this all you have to create. Rest it's good. I think there is no doubt. So let's end the meeting, okay? And we'll discuss in the next session.